Hello student, today we will learn about verb. A verb is a word which denotes an action, state or possession. A verb is a word which says something about subject. Verb अर्थात क्रिया एक ऐसा शब्द है जिससे किसी कार्य के होने, अधिकार या अवस्था का बोध होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द डिनोटिंग एक्शंस, द हॉर्स रन्स, आई रीड इंग्लिश. वर्ब डिनोटिंग पोजीशन, आई हैव अ कंप्यूटर, दे हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. Now we will learn kinds of verb. अब हम kinds of verb के बारे में जानेंगे. There are mainly two types of verb: main, principal, ordinary, full verbs. For examples, Ram reads book, he is going, they can do this work, you will go. Second is auxiliary helping verbs. For example, they have eaten, I am man, Ram is reading a book, he will do this work. Main verbs. A verb is the sentence that is expressing the action or state of being of the subject. For examples, Ram ate pie. In this sentence, the subject is Ram. The action verb ate tell the action that Ram performs. Ate is the main verb in the sentence. She was hungry. In this sentence, subject is she. The linking verb was connected the subject to the word that describes it. Was is the main verb in the sentence. Types of main verb. First one is transitive verb. Transitive verb. The verb used with an object is called a transitive verb. The verb which takes an object is a transitive verb. जिस वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग हुआ हो उस वर्ब को ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मोहन plays cricket, he eats bread, I like the season of winter, you have helped my family, they sing songs. Now we will learn second main verb, that is intransitive verb. The verb used without an object is called an intransitive verb. The verb which takes no object is an intransitive verb. जिस वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग नहीं हो उस वर्ब को intransitive verb कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट इज Ram goes to market. Second is she sleeps. Third is I get up early in the morning. Fourth is we run on the road. And fifth is he rides slowly. Auxiliary verb. The verbs which are used together main verb to help them in the formation of tenses, voice, mood, etc. are called ऑक्सिलरी और हेल्पिंग वर्ब। वह वर्ब जो मेन वर्ब को टेंस, वॉइस, मूड इत्यादि बनाने में सहायता करे उसे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब कहते हैं। इसे हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे हैव ईटेन, यू शुड हेल्प मी, ही विल डू दिस वर्क, राम is reading a book,